lakhs, you have thousands, you have millions, you have so many people loving you. Pero, I just want to say na sobrang saya ko na dumating ka sa buhay ko. Sobrang unexpected lang talaga siguro ng meet-up namin ni Kim. And sabi ko nga, di ba, from two people na pumupunta sa mall show with a banner, di ba, it became 4, 5, 20, hundreds, di ba? So, gusto ko lang magpasalamat and maski thousands and millions na nagmamahal sa'yo, I just wanna say na I love you so much.